Good afternoon, dear children. In previous video, we learned natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, and irrational numbers. Okay. So here, this is the set of natural numbers 1, 2, 3, so on. This is the set of whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. This is the set of integers, includes 0, 1, 2, 3, so on, -1, -2, so on. And this is the set of rational numbers. We learned very important set, that is rational numbers, which is denoted by q. Here the numbers of the form p by q. P and q are integers. Q is not equal to 0. Such numbers are called rational numbers. Example: 3 by 4, 2 by 3, -4 by 7, 0, 5. Every natural number is a rational number. Every whole number is a rational number. And -11. Every integer is a rational number. This we learned. And we studied another type of numbers, that is irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. This set is denoted by q dash. So here we cannot express the numbers in the form of p by q. Such numbers are called irrational numbers. For example, √3, √5, √2, √11, even 5, so on. So dear children, while going through the concepts of this topic, you will learn more examples about irrational numbers regarding decimal expansions. And see, here rational number set is bigger set because it includes natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. These all we can write in the form of p by q. So these are all rational numbers. That is here. This is the, see the diagram. This is the set of natural numbers. Natural number means counting numbers. The numbers which are able to count are called natural numbers. This is the set of natural numbers. And consider this is the set of whole numbers. It includes 0 along with natural numbers. Here 0 along with natural numbers. So whole number set includes naturals also. So this is the set of whole numbers. It includes natural numbers also, means every natural number is whole number. Clear? Then see, this is the, or 1 minute, dear children. This is the set of natural numbers, counting numbers. This is the set of whole numbers, 0 along with natural numbers. This is the set of integers, I or z. It includes whole numbers and natural numbers. See here, natural numbers are there, whole numbers are there, along with some negative numbers, -1, -5, -7, -8. So integers includes whole numbers, natural numbers. These all we can write in the form of P by Q. Yes, where P and Q are what? Integers. Q is not equal to 0. Every natural number is a rational number. Every natural number we can write in the form of P by Q. Every whole number P by Q. Every integer P by Q. These all we can write in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers. Q is not equal to 0. That we have learned in the previous video. So which is bigger set here? The rational number set is bigger set, because every natural number, every whole number, every integer we can write in the form of P by Q. Not only this, some numbers they are already in the form of P by Q, 5 by 3, 7 by 11, minus 2 by 8. These are also what? Rational numbers. So now students, I would like to call this group as a rational number group, because these all we can write in the form of P by Q. Yes. So I will give one name for this set, this whole group, as this is the group of rational numbers. So now this is the group of rational number. Rational number group. Now I differentiate irrational number from this rational number group, because these all we can write in the form of P by Q, but these we cannot write in the form of P by Q. So I draw that irrational numbers separately. This is the group of irrational numbers, irrational number group. Here the examples are root 3, root 5, root 2, 5, root 11. These are the examples of irrational numbers that we have learned in previous video. So now with me there are two groups. One is rational number group, another one is irrational number group. Why I separate this irrational number group from rational number group? Just think of it. Yes, very good. Because these we cannot express in the form of P by Q. That is why I separate this irrational group from the rational number group. So here in the rational number group, what are the numbers? Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. These all includes rational numbers. These all we can write in the form of P by Q. Understood? Clear? Suppose now I have a bag. What I have? I have a bag. In that bag, I put all these rational and irrational numbers. Now, dear children, I have a bag. In that bag, I will insert the rational numbers and irrational numbers together. So this is the bag. So what are the numbers? Now I will mix all these. So rational numbers are mixed with irrational numbers. In other words, irrational numbers are mixed with rational numbers. All are combined here. If I pick any one number from this bag, then what can I say that number? Or what is the name of this bag? Yes, listen here, dear children. I would like to give the name of this bag as lost system of numbers, that is real numbers. Real numbers. This is real number bag. So the last system of numbers according to your syllabus is real numbers. And what are real numbers? Real numbers includes rational numbers and irrational numbers. All are mixed. If I pick any one, that number I say real number. If I pick 2, that 2 rational number, but now here it is real number. If I pick root 2 from this bag, that root 2 also we can call real numbers. So then how we define real numbers? See the diagram. In the real number bag, rational numbers are also there, irrational numbers are also there, natural number is also called real number, whole numbers, real numbers, integers are real numbers, rational numbers are also real numbers, irrational numbers are also real numbers. So we take any one that is first called a real number because that is from real number bag. So how we define real numbers? What are real numbers? Observe the collection of rational and irrational numbers together called real numbers. So the collection of, it is a set of all the collection of rational and irrational together called real numbers. Understood? So dear children, just tell me, if I pick any one number from this group bag, so I got a number, what do we call that number? That number we call as real number. If I pick -2, that -2 is real number. Understood? These are all real numbers. Dear children, so observe my statements. I will give you some statements. Listen them very carefully and tell me true or false. So the real number includes rational numbers and irrational numbers. This statement is true or false? Real number includes rational numbers along with irrational numbers. True or false? Yes, it is true. It is a collection of rational and irrational together. So it is real number. So the statement is true. Every irrational number is a real number. True or false? Okay, listen once again. Every irrational number is a real number. True or false? Yes, very good. It is true. Every irrational number is a real number. Consider another statement. Every real number is a rational number. True or false? Observe the figure and listen the statement again. Every real number is a rational number. What I am saying? Every real number is a rational number. True or false? False. Because every real number is not only rational numbers. Real number includes rational and irrational. So every real number is not a rational number. It may be a rational number or irrational number. Consider another statement. Every rational number is a real number. True or false? Yes, dear children, think about it. Every rational number is a real number. Yes, very good. Correct. It is true. This is the group of rational numbers. Here, these are all rational numbers. So every rational number is a real number. If I take 0, 0 is a rational number. That is in the bag of real numbers. So 0 we can say real number. If I take -1 is a rational number. Yes, that is in the bag of real numbers. So -1 is real number. So every rational number is a real number. Every irrational number is a real number. So real number includes rational and irrationals together. So what is the name of this new set? this collection real numbers. Understood, dear children? So from beginning to here we learn the 5 sets or 5 types of number systems. Those are natural numbers, then whole numbers, then integers, then rational numbers, then irrational numbers, and last one is real numbers. This is the symbol for real numbers. Understood? So real numbers, it is the collection of rational numbers and irrational numbers. Rational numbers are denoted by Q and irrational numbers are denoted by Q dash. So rational and irrational together called real numbers. Understood? So dear children, write the notes, pause the video. Okay, we'll come back shortly. Okay, dear children, now we move into the exercise. Exercise 1.1. That first main, second main, third main, that we will discuss later. So now we are going to discuss fourth main. State true or false. There are some statements. Observe the statements. Check whether they are true or false. Because just we learned about this concept. That is why I would like to solve fourth question first. Later we will discuss the first main, second main, and third main. So observe, dear children. Every natural number is a whole number. True or false? So observe here. This is the set of natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. This is the set of whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Now read the statement carefully. Every natural number is a whole number. Observe. Consider the natural number 1. 1 is a natural number as well as whole number, because whole number includes naturals too. Whole numbers includes natural numbers also. So every natural number is a whole number. So just tell me, this statement is true or false? Yes, it is true. True statement. What is your answer here? This is true. Read the second one. Every integer is a whole number or not? Yes, every integer is a whole number. That statement is true or false? Observe the set of integers which are denoted by I or Z. What it includes? 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. -1, -2, -3, so on. This is the set of integers. Every integer is a whole number. Consider the integer 2. 2 belongs to the set whole number. Okay, 2 is a whole number. 2 is an integer. It belongs to the set whole number. So here 2 is a whole number. But every integer they said no. We go through the negative numbers also. Consider this -2. -2 is an integer, but see, this -2 belongs to whole number or not? No. Whole numbers are all positive. They are not negative. So here see, this -2 is an integer, but not a whole number. So every integer is a whole number. What can you say about this statement? This is true or false? This is false statement. Take any more. -1 is an integer, but this minus 1 does not belongs to this set whole numbers. So minus 1 is not a whole number. So every integer is a whole number. This statement is false. So what is your answer? This is false. Clear? Next, every rational number is a whole number. Observe. So the set of rational numbers